Poverty is a factor impeding enrollment, completion, and learning outcomes of children in non-formal settings or slums in Kenya. A large number of children experience poor quality education, leaving them without the knowledge and skills to lift them out of poverty. Ensuring access to quality primary education is available to children in non-formal settings like Kibera, Kenya, is central to the work of Aga Khan Foundation's Education for Marginalized Children in Kenya project. This is in partnership with Kenya's Ministry of Education and the generous support of the American people through USAID.
Kibera is said to be one of the largest informal settlements in Africa. And it's actually characterized by high levels of poverty and, of course, illiteracy among the population. The project is targeting non-formal education centers within Kibera, and there are quite a number of non-formal education centers in Kibera, estimated to be at around 900, with only 4 public primary schools in Kibera. And for the project, we were working with a total of 25 non-formal education centers. As a result of the introduction of the whole school approach methodology, the parents were able to come up with concrete school development plans that reflected the vision of the school, the aspirations of the schools, with clear action points on what they wanted to do to improve on the quality of education in these schools.
Strengthening education systems through a holistic approach that empowers the entire school community, including parents, local communities, governments, and teachers, to be accountable for the delivery of quality education for all children is the foundation of the whole school approach.
Whole school has done wonders in Kibera. Because of the whole school, the parents have also learned more about the school. They have been committed in building the schools.
When the parents were taught, they now saw, not initially walikuwa wanaona walimu hii ni mambo ya shule ni ya kibinafsi, mtu akipata pesa anakula. Hawakujua shule ni yao na pesa inasaidia kuendelesha shule. Na sasa hata tukiongea, this is not the place where we were when we had the meeting and you came to train us, parents and everybody. We were able to relocate, we were able to get resources to move to this level.
Performance iko juu. Kama mtoto wangu mimi niko na watoto wawili class 3 na pre-unit. Hiyo pre-unit akifika nyumbani homework anafanya mwenyewe. Hesabu hata 8 plus 1 yote ana hadi bila amefundishwa shule, anamaliza na anacheza.
Kazi safi.
Nafurahia sana. Sana sana.
Kwa sababu mwalimu wako na environment nzuri ya kufundisha.
Tena mwalimu anafundisha mtoto. Anashika kila kitu.
Also, the parents were able now to even mobilize resources within their reach to support the development of these school plans.
We have a feeding program that the parents are really trying to bring something subsidizing. It's a subsidy, but we also have some, like I was saying, there are a few people that have also helped us a bit, like occasionally we have some sacks of porridge, flour, that we use at break time. That makes it easy because now it's not difficult because you also make lunch. There are no children that go back for lunch. Every child eats here at lunchtime.
The schools had also a very poor relationship with the Ministry of Education, where they would perceive the ministry to be like an enemy coming out to inspect the schools and close them down instead of supporting them. So there was that kind of a relation that was not very healthy for the development of the schools.
When they heard there was a visitor who is not known, you know, apart from the parents that they know, they would close the gate. And especially if you are from the Ministry of Education, they would not want to see you near them. But now, as things stand, after the trainings, the school is able to welcome the ministry. The teachers themselves go to the education offices.
The needs are with us, and we now know how to handle the needs. We now know how to prioritize what comes first, what's the approach of meeting this. So this was something that has now opened our eyes, and now we are on the road.
The whole school process was a gift that Kibera people got. I would recommend that it is duplicated to other areas in Nairobi, or even outside Nairobi, other non-formal schools.